Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.